Ramir Boulder po. Ito po ang vlog natin ngayon. Kilala niyo po ba si Jeffrey Epstein, ang viral po ngayon? Ah, kahit po saan kayo tuminging media, itong files, Jeffrey Epstein files ay viral. Kasi nga po, ah, nakakatawag pansin lang po itong mga to. Kasi marami po akong nakikita sa kanyang files, kagaya nito, Epstein files, in what is though to be Epstein bedroom. A hiding camera could be seen perched high up on an accused true of a woman. Many of the walls inside his Manhattan house were decorated with the paintings, pictures of scantily clad woman in his entryway, and the humiliating painting of former President Bill Clinton wearing a blue dress, an image that became infamous amid fallout of the scandal, was found hanging in the hall. Ito, picture po ni Donald Trump to, may kasamang batang babae. Pero mas matindi po ang mga ito. Tingnan nyo. Healthiest release of the Epstein document, Epstein documentist mentioned 50 high-profile figures. The files contain emails, logs referring Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Prince Andrew. Ito po. Why pa si Michael Jackson dito nun? At saka ito, ito, mga picture na to. Kasi curious lang ako dahil itong Epstein file na to na napaka-viral ngayon. Ang dami yung mga nakakasama rito, mga kilalang personalidad. Nandito sila Prince Andrew, yung mga sikat na mga banda, kagaya ni Mick Jagger nandito, nakita ko rito. Ganito, Ano? Epstein Files, every 100 follow, I will upload more darkest video. Ito po, may mga bata dito na may hinihiwa sila rito na ano to, parang paaba ng tao ito. Ito pa, Epstein Files, Part 3.
Into Jeffrey's room and Jeffrey laying naked on the massage table. I really, really wanted this job. So I opened up to them.
Isa ito sa
I said, look, this is an opportunity of a lifetime for me. I've been on the streets, I've been abused, and
marami po sila, isa po ito.
that's the worst thing that I could have done. Because I just let them know that I'm vulnerable and I'm their perfect type.
By May 2006, the Palm Beach police had prepared a
Meron pa ito. British celebrities name in Epstein file. Ito si ito mga ito si Donald Trump to. Nakahubad sila. Tapos si Donald Trump may nahalikang batang babae. Naku po. Ito, batang babae na umiiyak. Drug trafficking ang kaso nito at saka sexual abuse. Marami po siyang bata pa si Donald Trump dito. Shocking evidence uncovered. Donald Trump to. May mga kaugnayan, marami pong mga politician sa US ang may kaugnayan talaga kay Epstein. Base dito sa mga Epstein files na lumabas, nasa 3 milyon pong files yata po ito. Napakarami. Ito. Epstein files hidden court document exposed. Epstein files contain sealed court document, words victim testimonies, travel logs, and financial record that remain hidden for years. This file don't just reveal crimes, they expose how power delays justice. We're uploading Epstein files clips every hour, revealing fact source from public records and archive materials. Ah, ito po, isa pa ito sa si whistleblower. Ito ba ito? What she claimed 16 years ago is now being corroborated by the Epstein files. Ito pa.
आ गया है, लेकिन हम इस बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे कि मोदी जी का नाम एप्स्टीन फाइल में है कि नहीं है। कांग्रेस का तो एलिगेशन है कि हाँ एप्स्टीन फाइल
Marami talaga siyang ito, Epstein files. Ito si dating British the US Justice Department released millions of files related to the case of convicted pedophile Jeffrey Epstein on Friday, shedding further light on his expensive network of high-profile figures. The latest dump, expected to be the last, contains some 3 million pages, including 180,000 images and some 2,000 videos attached to the case. It brings the total of 3.5 million documents released. Initial findings include the shocking revelation that Epstein may have fathered a child around 15 years ago, as well as a mail from Andrew Mountbatten Windsor, the former British prince, inviting Epstein to Buckingham Palace years after the financier was convicted to 6 crimes. Nakakapangilabot ito.
Exhaustive round of personal
Ito si, nandito
designed
si
to help our judges discover what makes each one special.
Donald Trump, bata pa sa rito, hindi pa siya presidente. Hindi pa siya presidente rito.
Thank you very much, Amy.
The concentration was intense inside the judging room and out.
Just so excited.
The Epstein files are mostly court documents from Virginia Duke Free 2015 defamation lawsuit against Ghislaine Maxwell, plus some later release. They were unleashed in stages mainly 2024-2025. The so-called list is not a secret client list of criminal. It's just name that appeared anywhere in the document. Victims, witnesses, employees, friends, people mentioned once, flight log, passenger, phone contacts. Marami pa po. Ayan. Mga ito part 1. Part 1, ito picture niya. Ito may mga kasama silang mga top 100, 1,000 most disturbing videos. Bakit naging disturbing videos ito?
Just imagine what they are thinking.
Mga kilalang politiko ito. Mga kilalang opisyalis.
Just imagine what they are thinking.
Imagine what they're thinking. Ito, mga batang babae.
Just imagine
Enjoy
what
talaga
they are
si Donald
thinking.
Trump dito. Epstein. Years before his 2019 arrest, Jeffrey Epstein tried to erase his criminal past online. Yan ang pagkakamali nyo. Bakit nyo pa kasi na-upload yung mga kagaguhan nyo? Napakalaking ebidensya yan eh. Ano? Ito, binalita pa pala ng survivors ng pang-abuso ni Jeffrey Epstein na nananawagan para sa full disclosure ng tinaguriang Epstein Files. Naibalita rin pala sa GMA ito. Oh. Huh?
We're standing together.
Standing together.
Ito yung mga
Because
victims.
this girl deserves the truth.
Because she deserves the truth.
Because we all deserve the truth.
Ito Bill Clinton to eh. Oh, Maxwell, Ghislaine Maxwell to be disposed on Monday before the House Oversight Committee. She's committed perjury before. Will she tell the truth? Well, sa balitang ito eh pinabulaanan naman ni Bill Clinton eh paano mo maitatanggi ito? Marami kayong picture. Ayan oh, si Donald Trump. Bill Clinton. Malupit ito si Epstein na to. Kaya pala hindi na nagtatagal yung kaso niya. Ang kaso po nito, si Jeffrey Epstein po ay nagpakamatay sa loob ng kulungan. Nung 2019. Siya po ay nagpatiwakal, siguro hindi niya na nakayanan yung pressure ng kanyang mga kaso. Kaya po tinapos niya yung buhay niya kasi nga naglalabasan talaga yun kanyang mga files, inilalabas ng korte. Ito pa. Camera kill. The cameras, the Clintons put us on live TV. Why are Republicans hiding the Epstein files? Aha. Why are the Republican hidings? Ito. Patay na si dito, si Donald Trump, Republican po 'yan. FBI. While FBI investigators collected ample proof that Epstein sexually abused underage girl, they found scant evidence the financier led a sex trafficking ring serving powerful men. Oh, tama. Puro powerful yung kanyang kasama eh. Puro presidente, prinsipe ng Inglaterra, FBI concluded Epstein wasn't running a sex trafficking ring for powerful men file show. Si Jeffrey Epstein po ay isang Amerikanong financer at convicted sex offender. Siya ay pinanganak noong Enero 20, 1953 sa Brooklyn, New York at namatay noong August 2019. Yun na nga, nung nagpakamatay siya sa Metropolitan Correctional Center sa New York City. Si Epstein ay nagtatrabaho bilang financer at investment banker at nagtatag ng kanyang sariling kumpanya, ang J. Epstein and Company. Siya ay naging kilala sa kanyang mga koneksyon sa mga kilalang personalidad kabilang ang mga politiko, mga negosyante at mga royalty. Nakita nyo na po dito sa kanyang files na marami po ang mga sikat dating presidente, yung iba hindi pa presidente, ngayon presidente na, gaya ni Donald Trump. Kasi bata pa po si Donald Trump, yung mga nakikita kong picture niya rito. Ito, batang-bata pa si Donald Trump dito. Ito. Ayan Bata pa si Donald Trump dito. siguro mga 50 plus pa lang si Donald Trump dito. Ano? Oh. Ayan, ito yung mga mga excuse me, mga whistleblower yata itong mga to. Marami pa. Oh. Nobody is talking about the great and not so great Irishmen whose names won't make headlines. FBI concluded Jeffrey Epstein wasn't running a sex trafficking ring for powerful men, files show. Ayun na. Noong ang pagkamatay ni Jeffrey Epstein ay naging sanhi ng mga kontrobersya at mga teorya ng conspiracy dahil sa mga koneksyon niya sa mga kilalang personalidad at mga kaso ng sex trafficking na kinasasangkutan niya. Ano? Ang mga dokumento at mga record ng kaso ni Epstein na kilala bilang mga Epstein Files, ito na nga po, ano, ay naglalaman ng mga impormasyon tungkol sa mga koneksyon niya sa mga kilalang personalidad at mga kaso ng sex trafficking na kinakasangkutan niya. Ano po, mahaba-haba po ito kaya pinapakita ko lang po sa inyo. Ayan, Donald Trump. 3.5 million pages of Epstein file just dropped. Here's January 30, 2026. Ito na, 2026 na po. DOJ forced to release 3.5 million pages, 2,000 videos, 180 images. Napakarami po yan. Jeffrey, definitely Trump. Only one president would act this way. Busted. Bakit siya nakahubad? Sino to? Bill Clinton ba to? Oh. Trump inside Epstein Island compound, it's hard to tell exactly as the image is a bit blurry, but it's most likely Trump. Hindi si Trump to. Breaking news. Oh. Ito naman. Donald Trump ulit. Sa mga nakita kong mga files dito, ang mukha ni Donald Trump bata pa eh. Kaya to, bata pa sa Epstein emails reveal babies and dead six slaves at Sorrow Ranch. Vivian Wilson appears to confirm Musk Epstein emails. Pati si Elon Musk kasama po rito. Yung mga mayayamang tao. Mahihirapan silang kasi paano mo iimbestigahan itong mga matataas na nasa katungkulan, na ubod ng yaman itong pinakamayamang tao sa buong mundo, na si Elon Musk kasama pala rito. Ayan confirm Musk Epstein emails. Lahat ng mga emails diyan mayroon connection kay Epstein. Lumalalim talaga. Ito, Donald Trump. Pam Bondi says that if we prosecute everybody in the Epstein files, the whole system will collapse. Raise your hand if you want both of them impeached immediately. Nako, malalagay sa alanganin dito si Donald Trump. May pakasama pa siya ritong mga Arabo. Ito. After 3.5 million files of Epstein Island have been released by the USA, Diddy was interviewed in prison on how he feels about not being mentioned in the Epstein files. And he answered and said, I wasn't even mentioned once in the Epstein files, but I'm the one who is locked up. 50 Cent saw his reply on the news and called him to say, Ninja, you aren't in the files because you were creating your own files. Hmm. Madami-dami po ito, hindi natin matatapos ngayon, kaya po bye-bye muna for now. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, Premier Boulder, salamat po.